This is your 1-Minute Coder News from the Voice of Custom Coding. SEMA Market Research has released a new report focusing on vintage vehicle customers and their customization goals. Entitled Classic Cars, Modern Markets, it reports the definition of what constitutes a classic is changing. Once dominated by 60s and mid-70 muscle cars, it's now expanding to include late 70s, 80s, and even 90s vehicles with noticeable gravitation towards trucks, especially among younger car enthusiasts. Regardless of age, practically all vintage car enthusiasts view their vehicles as drivers to be enjoyed and showed off on the road, not just collected. Also noted in the report is a good portion of vintage owners enjoying doing their own project work. According to SEMA Market Research Manager Matthew Kennedy, classics are a status symbol they want to own and fix up. He goes on to add most owners ultimately opt for a mix of DIY jobs and professional work. And that's been your 1-Minute Coder News. See you next time.